kickstand. Seat. It moving forward and backward. And folding.
So this is the stroller. As you can see, the top here adjusts for what the bottom does. It's got 2 brakes on the back here. A very nice little basket cup holder. It does a lot of adjustments. Right here you can adjust how close the handle gets to the child. You've got their safety belt. My almost 2-year-old's feet just rest here. He doesn't quite reach the pedals, but later he could reach the pedals. It's very easy to push, very fun, very light, very easy to maneuver. He loves it.